Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be flying in, I call it my backyard. This is Vail, so this is the spot that I like to fly, mainly because there's no regulations out here, of course, other than the 400 foot in the air rule when flying, and not pissing off any people or neighbors because I'm not flying over anyone's house, so it should work out. But make this short and sweet. I hope you enjoy the flight, and yeah, this is where I fly most of my flight time. So I always like to do a scan first of my area. I want to make sure that I don't accidentally get too close to somebody that's out there walking or doing something. Woo, that was fun. Into the tree. You don't have a beeper, guys. You need one. Ah, there it goes. It's popping the tree. Thank you, tree. You saved my drone. And my GoPro's still attached. Alright. Looks like it's intact. Cool. Alright. Crash number one, battery number one for the day. Off to a good start already. Yeah, staying low is a good challenge. Right, next battery. I'll try my best to stay a little low. These dogs. They love my drone. I know for some of my viewers, the fast movements aren't really your thing. So, I'll try to keep it as slowly as I can. This hill is fun. This trail is a good challenge. Definitely some trees in my way, and I can barely see right now. There's this interesting little dip. This fills up with water, usually during monsoon seasons, which should be about this time of the year where I live. But this year it didn't rain a whole lot, so it's pretty empty. One thing that still amuses me is how sound travels. Because you think that you can audibly hear the delay from the transmitter to the drone, but I think that's part of it potentially, but there's also part of it that sound hasn't reached you yet. Oh, that was a nice bush smack. This is what Vail looks like currently, 2020. That is my neighborhood right there. That's overlook. That's my high school. As you can see, I live in a pretty barren part of the country where there's not a whole lot out here. There is a nice golf course, I guess, right? There's a ton of new houses being built currently. But yeah, and then there's the ground. It's a beautiful Sunday. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this style. A little shorter and to the point. And there's always like planes and stuff flying in Vail too, except plane flying. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for joining. See you soon.